Now, and I know you kind of touched on it a little bit, but just to elaborate a little bit more, what would be your favorite piece of Bobcat equipment you own and why? I know
Sure. Yep. No.
about it a little bit, but a little bit more in depth, I guess, on the Toolcat.
Yeah, it's the Toolcat is pretty much my favorite piece to run. I kind of say I have this OCD disorder where it should be CDO, that way it's alphabetically correct. My brain only lets me buy white and orange, so hence all of the white and orange. Nothing else is really tagged in there. I don't know, like ever since like I was a kid, it just seems, I don't know, my first machine that I ever ran was probably a New Holland, then like a John Deere skid steer, but it's just something about the Bobcats that I always liked. I don't know why. They are one tough animal. But yeah, the Toolcat, we've owned probably 6 of them, I think. Buy them, fix them up, sell them, just kind of that type of thing. But, when I was doing my homework, like I said, on this newest generation that is a 23, it was the revised traction control that we were after, because our entire property is on a side hill. Yes, this up here is nice and level, but it wasn't. And just for doing the snow plowing and different things, we wanted the ability to have all 4 tires grab on and drive. And we've picked up stuff heavy enough that the back tires are off the ground. It's on the videos, it's on YouTube. I can't hide them anywhere, so no warranty claims yet. Yeah, we've gone across the woodlot, and where I know for a fact the other one would not have done that. And I wanted the hydraulic quick coupler that we didn't have on anything else. We had the high flow. I did not have the 7-pin connection, and it's that 7-pin connection that allows us to run the Halverson processor, so we can either do their 140B machine or the 150 machine. And like I said earlier, you're sitting down, you're in the cab, it's a relaxed state. You have a steering wheel if you want to drive around. You just step out of the side door. Now, the model that's on this one is a 150, but this is the newest version is a left hand. So traditionally, like where you see the yellow saw, that's normally on the right hand side. So you would have to look around the boom and stuff. So if you've seen previous videos on the YouTube channel, that's why it looks different, because it is. Mm-hmm. So this way it puts the wedge and the saws directly in front of the operator. If something isn't quite right, you have to step out of the cab to adjust something, it's literally step out and you're right there, not a walk around the machine. And it's nice this way for the telehandlers that have the gallons per minute to do it. There's some other things that have the doors on the side. I know I'm on a Bobcat channel, but like your JCBs, your Volvos, different things where it's the offset, cab. Those work out really nice. Like again, heat, AC. We did a video. It was snowing. It was warm. I was in it the other day when it was like 85. The AC was cranking. It was cool. The radio's going. I mean, it's a comfy machine. It's quick. It's a 2-speed. And like I said, it's probably the Swiss Army knife that we use every day up here in some capacity. And again, when I go back to my CDO disorder, that's my hinge pin. And so everything has to match, right down to having a white truck. It's just what it is. I've thought about doing like a black and orange pinstripe on it just to really tie it in, but it's a work truck. So,
we're all for it.
I would say the Toolcat and probably followed by the MT are my top 2. So,
awesome.